This is a 48-inch small Loveseat sofa that we purchased on Amazon. So we're going to put it together and see if it looks like this picture. It's from a company called Ping Liang. Okay, so it came with this box that had all the hardware in it. The instructions, not much hardware really. A couple brackets. Here you got some bolts, washers, and some pads for the legs. And then you got the legs. So that's it. Let's put it together. Okay, so I put a sheet down. And the first thing you're going to do is take this armrest here and put it into these slots. The armrest is already, it came with the armrest on that side. So we're now going to put the armrest on this side. You're just going to put these down into the brackets. We're going to take one of these brackets here, and this is the backrest, and we're going to put it on one side of the backrest. There's another bracket here, so this is going to slide into it. There we go, like that. Okay, and then we go to the other side and slide it in here. Make sure I can find that one there. Okay, now we're going to slide the backrest. There's a hole on each side. There's a hole here and a hole over there. And again, they have the same type of setup, so I have to slide it in there and make sure it's lined up. So the next step is to put the legs on, and we have to turn the couch over to do that. Okay, so we got these legs here, and take a washer here and a bolt, put it like that, then inside the leg you gotta drill that hole, and I'm just gonna put it like that. Okay, so there you go. And we're gonna take our Allen wrench and then tighten it onto the sofa there. Okay, now we got the last leg all tightened. The last thing to do right now is just to put those pads on the end of each leg. Okay, now we've got the pads on each leg, and now we'll stand it up. And here's the final assembly. And I must say it looks pretty good, just like on the Amazon page. So not that difficult to assemble, and it looks very nice.